Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator freezer handle support. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new freezer handle support. The freezer handle support holds the handle onto the freezer door. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and the handle's coming loose. In order to get to the part, we have to take off the freezer door handle. We're going to use a 3/32 Allen wrench to loosen up the set screw. Once you have the set screw loose, we can pull the handle off the mounting pin, and then we have to slide it to the right so the other end releases. Once you have it free, you can pull it off. Once you have the handle free, you can pull it off the door. If you try to take your handle off and the left side won't unlock, you may have the style that's locked on there. So you may have to open up the freezer door. Then we have to lift up on the handle like this and get it angled back towards the refrigerator and lift it off. Once you have the freezer door handle off, we can pull it off the refrigerator. Now that we have the handle off the door, we have to take off the set screw. So we're going to use a 3/32 Allen wrench to take it out. All you have to do is unscrew it. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. Then we're going to lift up on the handle, and we can use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screw that holds the freezer handle support, the actual handle. Once you have the screw out, you can pull out the freezer handle support, and then we have to take off the end cap. Use a small flathead screwdriver to lift up on the locking tab right here. Once you have the end cap off, you can just set it aside. Here's the old freezer handle support next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before we put the new handle support on, we're just going to clip the end cap back on. It should just snap on. Once you have it in place, you can put the support into the handle. And then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screw in. Once you have the screw tightened down, we can grab the 3/32 Allen wrench and put the set screw back in. You don't want to screw it in all the way. You just want to get it started. Once you have the set screw started, we can put the handle back on the refrigerator. To put the handle back on, we're just going to line it up like when we took it off and push it onto the post. You're going to have to lean it in a little bit and push down to get it to lock in. And then you're going to have to carefully rotate it over so you don't hit this pin. Once you have it rotated down, we can set it onto the mounting pin on this side. And we can push it in. And then we can use the 3/32 Allen wrench to tighten down the set screw. Now that we have the freezer door handle installed, we can plug the refrigerator back in and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.